Get ready for a jaw-dropping, action-packed spectacle. The world's most powerful chainsaws and stump excavators are taking on extraordinary challenges. With incredible speed and strength, they bring down massive trees and uproot enormous stumps, showcasing the pinnacle of technology and sheer bravery. Let's dive in and witness it all now. It was an ideal day for logging, but an unfortunate one for a particular lumberjack. Nonetheless, he experienced a fascinating tree-felling task and witnessed a breathtaking display of a tree's somersault. See that burning tree? It's already lost, but it still poses a danger. Firefighters remove trees like that to cut off fuel for the fire, similar to cutting off its supply. The focus is on controlling and stopping the fire from spreading. You're standing in front of a giant redwood, and your trusty Husqvarna 371 XP slices through it effortlessly. With a 71cc engine and 5.4 horsepower, this legendary saw, now revived for a new generation, delivers a cutting length of up to 105 centimeters with unmatched precision. Does it leave an impression on you? If yes, leave a comment below. This guy showed us the importance of keeping the bucket balanced when operating an excavator on uneven terrain. Fortunately, he wasn't injured. This serves as an important lesson for everyone, highlighting the need to handle equipment carefully on challenging surfaces. Envision the efficiency. Feel the power. This is the TigerCat 2000 series shear, a revolutionary tool for North Florida's timber industry. Paired with the strong 720E feller buncher, it transforms productivity. Wave goodbye to high-maintenance costs and welcome fuel efficiency and reduced operating expenses, even in tough conditions. Now, even Holly aren't just any horses. These remarkable Brabant mares effortlessly pulled a 2-ton truck on a chilly 34-degree winter day, making it appear as simple as a leisurely walk in the park. True elegance, wouldn't you agree? Oh no, that's a Husqvarna. He just lost $900. The Carlton SP7015 grinder is truly impressive. With its massive 70-inch blade, it effortlessly grinds through stumps as if they were nothing. Oh, and it's powered by a turbocharged diesel engine. This machine is an absolute powerhouse. Seriously, you have to see the Carlton SP715 in action. It's incredible what it can do. This guy is exceptionally skilled and clearly knows his craft inside out. I wouldn't be surprised if he earns a substantial income from his woodcutting expertise. Wow, just a 1-second delay and that cyclist would have been in real trouble. Make sure your team stays safe when cutting trees on the road. Put up warnings or barriers to prevent anyone from getting harmed. The Tatra Phoenix, equipped with its rugged V-plow, is a true winter champion, slicing through snowdrifts like a mighty icebreaker. It stands as a symbol of human innovation and our resilience in adapting to nature's toughest challenges. Here, chainsaw-wielding champions face off against towering trees, a modern-day epic, like a sequel to Don Quixote's battle with wind. Have you ever seen a machine dominate the wild with heroic precision? That's exactly what the E-Log 590D does. Paired with the Kesla 28RH, which handles wood with the finesse of a sculptor, they form an unbeatable team, enhancing efficiency and cutting fuel costs. The 590D comes with a significant price tag, ranging from $70,000 to $79,700. Quite remarkable, isn't it? A symphony of awe and adrenaline, wouldn't you agree? Massive logs, teetering on a gigantic truck, maneuver through a perilous dance along winding, narrow, and slippery dirt roads. An unforgettable sight that stirs the senses. Transforming logs into works of art, the Wood-Mizer MP100 log planer unleashes your creativity. It planes and shapes logs up to 16 inches in diameter, converting raw timber into striking structural pieces. Priced between $10,000 and $15,000, it's a commitment to your craft. Are you prepared to bring your visions to life? The Volvo FH1 1665 stands as a formidable force against the blizzard, unwavering and unstoppable. This is far more than just a truck in snowy conditions. It is a masterpiece of resilience, a testament to the human spirit's fight against nature's fury. Simply breathtaking and truly remarkable. At first glance, they appear professional, but just wait and see how they end up troubling the homeowner. Tree removal is a challenging task that requires both skill and specialized tools. Inadequate preparation can result in severe injuries or significant property damage. Fortunately, he's okay. Excavator mulchers are specialized attachments for excavators, turning them into highly effective land-clearing machines capable of handling trees, weeds, and stumps. They are ideal for vegetation management, forestry cleanup, and site preparation. The power they deliver is truly impressive, isn't it? Looking for a wood peeler that offers the same smoothness as its finished product? Consider Posh leads, designed for peeling and sharpening logs with diameters ranging from 7 to 24 centimeters. It delivers an average peeling speed of 9 meters per minute for 15 centimeters logs. Say goodbye to tedious wood processing and welcome exceptional efficiency. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Don't forget to click on the video at the corner of the screen to check out more captivating videos. See you in the next one.